everyone, welcome to Shackdown Experience. I am Elena. Continued from the last video, we have created a simple user journey map. Can we start our new design directly based on that? Let's have our UX expert Chuck share the methodologies with all of you.
When we are creating the user journey map, it's better we use real research data than simply some hypothesis data, because then we will have more chances to find out what the user truly needs through those realistic scenario or use flow. How to get the research data? We can interview real users to learn how they use our service, what happens through that, and how they feel during the interaction or situation. Speaking of feeling, we can add another metric below the front stage line to record how they feel at each moment. We can grade the emotions into as many levels as we need. For example, 5 levels: excited, happy, neutral, unhappy, and angry. On the other hand, what if we haven't started a business? Let's say it's a coffee shop again, while we haven't got any real users. So what could we do to get the research data? In this case, we can build an MVP, which stands for minimum viable product, and then we can test it with some real users to get some real feedback. Based on the issues identified, we are more likely to effectively create new designs on our product.